Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to separate personal and work tasks in Todoist. First, after creating all your tasks, just press Ctrl M in your keyboard and mark the task you want to put it in the work, and then press label and then type work, create, and select the other, Ctrl M as I said, and select the other tasks, press label and type personal and create. And then when you go to filters and labels, you will find work and personal. You can also change the color. Let me change the color to orange. If you click work, you will find all the work tasks, and if you click personal, you will find all the personal tasks. Thank you for watching.